Given the increasingly competitive market landscape, creating a digital ecosystem is essential for players in the insurance industry to distinguish themselves from competitors and create competitive advantage. Today, we already see the industry players in various stages of developing these networks race to deliver enhanced customer experiences and reap the rewards of new and renewed businesses. Ecosystem connectivity is a network of interconnected stakeholders enabled by data integration and exchange capabilities. These stakeholders include brokers, partners, insurance groups, and more. Greater connectivity driven by APIs and microservices amongst ecosystem players will allow insurers to digitize and speed up process across the value chain. When insurers start to develop or advance their ecosystem strategy, they should ask questions such as, what are the objectives of the ecosystem strategy? What are the selection criteria for key partner platforms to realize strategic goals? What are the potential challenges, and how can these risks be preemptively mitigated? Today, we're glad to have Billy, Leslie, Brad shed some light on these questions and introduce Deloitte's multidisciplinary digital ecosystem approach. The method will allow organizations to strive towards real-time connectivity and frictionless customer experiences.
Sound objectives are key to measuring the success of any digital ecosystem. Insurers should attempt to drive three strategic outcomes that are aligned with overall business strategy and priorities. The first outcome would be to create a seamless customer experience. Integrated strategic partner platforms can improve customer satisfaction levels and drive engagement at key moments in the customer journey. Claim tracking and other real-time personalized communications are great examples. Another key outcome is to build a set of strategic partnerships with key technology platforms that is grounded in mutual value creation. In this way, partnership can develop trusted relationships and ultimately lead to more valuable engagement in the short and long run. The final strategic outcome is to build a modular platform with API-led architecture. This will enable the capability to realize different use cases in the partnership ecosystem and to reduce the effort on the connectivity. With the IT agility, it will support the business agility on speed to market objective.
When it comes to evaluating partnership opportunities to ensure maximum value is generated, there are three factors insurers need to take into consideration. Firstly, ensuring the partner's capabilities is closely aligned with the insurer's desired capabilities, also known as value proposition. This extends beyond capabilities to measure the partner's ability to create and sustain competitive advantage, including the scale to drive growth and market share and willingness to invest in the relationship. Technology maturity also plays an important role. This is a measure of the partner's technical skill and flexibility to fit with the insurer's current and planned architecture, their ability to develop integrations and alignment of strategic roadmaps for future technology capability enablements. The most important consideration is partnership decision-making and delivery. Insurers should assess the partner's ability to influence how opportunities will be prioritized, how decisions will be made in the organization, and how delivery of plans will be structured.
Ensuring secure data exchange and upholding the privacy requirements, the incorporation of AI capabilities, and losing momentum in the execution are common risks and challenges that are faced by insurers as they develop a holistic connectivity ecosystem strategy. Customers expect insurance to provide differentiable value with the data they have provided, while ensuring that the data is protected from unauthorized access or usage. Insurers should continue to be involved in the creation and adaptation of data exchange standards, which can enable a strong technology architecture across the ecosystem to be quickly adopted and maximize the speed to market. Another key risk is the consideration of AI capabilities. With the increasing prevalence of using AI, insurers may have to consider incorporating advanced AI capabilities to automate, streamline, and optimize data processing to reduce the need for complex integrations. So losing momentum is another common challenge. Given the significance of execution efforts to enable connectivity, there's a risk of losing momentum due to delays across phases. To mitigate the risks, insurers should carefully select key capabilities, partnership for minimum viable products, and and organize efforts to achieve quick wins and sustain momentum.
Defining and executing an ecosystem connectivity strategy is challenging and complex. Insurers will need to devise an ecosystem connectivity strategy that aligns their prioritization of value chain efficiencies with customer expectations and their broader ecosystems. In a nutshell, it requires meticulous planning and careful considerations. By focusing on key strategic outcomes, identifying partners that align strategically and technically, and maintaining a sound risk mitigation plan, insurers can create a competitively advantageous digital ecosystem of the future.